Hello lovelies. In this experiment we are going to look at how changing the concentration of the reactants affects the rate of reaction. So in this experiment we're going to be changing the concentration of sodium thiosulfate by mixing it with different amounts of water. So as we get more dilute, we're going to just add in more water. We're going to react the sodium thiosulfate with hydrochloric acid. And what's going to happen is we're going to get a precipitate of sulfur coming from the sodium thiosulfate. Sulfur, as a precipitate, will eventually make this cross underneath my conical flask disappear. What we're going to do is time how long it takes to produce a given amount of sulfur, enough sulfur to make my cross disappear. What we'd expect to find is that the greater the concentration of sodium thiosulfate, the faster the cross disappears. So for my first experiment, I'm going to take 50 centimeters cubed of sodium thiosulfate and I'm going to measure it out into a glass measuring cylinder. I'm now going to take no water. So this is just the sodium thiosulfate at its most concentrated. I'm going to every experiment, add 10 centimeters cubed of acid. So I'm going to keep the amount of acid the same. I'm only changing the concentration of sodium thiosulfate. When I add my acid, the reaction is going to begin. So I'm going to start my stopwatch. I'm going to give it a swirl and wait for the magic to happen. I can already start to see that it's going a little bit cloudy, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. I need to pick an end point and stick to it for every experiment. So I'm going to stop swirling now. I'm going to get ready on my stopwatch. I'm going to wait for it to disappear fully. And it's gone.